And the title of this mini podcast is Read Into or Read Past. When we get a thought or a piece of information, there are a couple of things we can do. Read into or read past. We can either read something into it that isn't there, or read past the words and find something substantial. Every modern-day dating movie I've seen contains this scene. Either a young woman or young man who went on a seemingly fun first date is wondering the next day or two why their dating partner hasn't called or returned their text. This is when the read into logic arises. It usually starts with a question of a close friend. Why do you think he or she didn't call? Then it's off to the races, and there's no shortage of entries. The reasoning machine goes into full tilt boogie, and we get a litany of read into answers. I'm reminded of lyrics from a Van Morrison song called Domino. He sings, "There's no need for argument. There's no argument at all. And if you never hear from him, that means he didn't call." But sometimes we read past the established set of facts and find an answer that truly answers the question. Some call it intuition, ESP, being tuned in, or a gut sense. No matter what the label, it makes you more able to bypass read into mode and not put all those unnecessary cards on the table. So how do we read past? I'm not exactly sure, but one thing I am sure of, it doesn't involve a lot of reasoning. It seems reliable answers come when the reasoning machine's plug gets pulled. It's in that quiet space that we pull ourselves out of the race, to the bottom. When our mind gets quiet, we avoid the riot and simply enjoy our peace of mind. It's in this frame of mind that we're treated to more watermelon and less rind. If you don't have a mind-quieting ritual, I highly recommend that you find one and make its practice habitual. It'll have you reading past answers you pull out of your ass. All the best, John.